Hello, my name is Tenzin Silon and I am a Buddhist monk. So today I want to say something from my heart. So recently I came to know that environmental activist Greta Thunberg and her team, they have taken such a courageous steps of traveling to Gaza to support the humanitarian aids. When I saw this, I was so deeply moved. So many of us, we talk to each other, we pass comments, and we give opinions from the great distance. But there are few people who have such a courage to actually go to the place where help is needed. So Greta did it, and it was a very bravery. Even, I must admit that I have no gut to go to Gaza. So do you have any courage to go to Gaza? So this is not a politics, and I don't know anything about the politics. I want to be clear that I don't support Hamas and I don't endorse the Israeli government's policy on Gaza, and I also do not support any forms of violence. As a Buddhist monk, I am following to the teaching of Buddha, and Buddha said that hatred cannot be seized by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal law. Violence brings another forms of violence. So whatever the Greta and her team did was not an act of violence, it was an act of compassion. So I'm not saying that I will support everything she may do and she may say in future, but this initiative, these actions, I sincerely respect her from the bottom of my heart. So whether Greta Thunberg sees my video message or not, I would like to say, Greta, I truly admire your courage and your compassion. You are a brave woman, and thank you. May all sentient beings free from suffering. May peace come to Gaza, and may peace come to the world.